What if monsters were never imaginary? What if fear simply changed how animals were seen? Today, we're uncovering 10 times humans turned animals into monsters. And stay till the end, because the final one proves how easily the human mind lies. 1. Mermaids, manatees. Mermaids were described as half human, half fish. They watched ships from the water. Some even waved. Sailors were often at sea for months. Loneliness changed perception. Many were actually seeing manatees. But here's where it gets weird, some sightings lasted long enough to feel real. 2. Unicorns, rhinoceroses. Unicorns were not kind creatures. Early stories described them as violent, strong, dangerous. Travelers likely saw rhinoceroses. Stories grew with distance. One horn became magical. But the story doesn't end there. Ancient one-horned rhino fossils were later found. 3. Giant birds, rock elephant birds. The rock was said to lift elephants. Its wings blocked the sun. People feared the sky. Madagascar once had elephant birds. They were taller than humans. Their eggs were massive. But imagine seeing one alive. Fear would finish the legend for you. 4. Sea serpents, oarfish and whales. Sea serpents haunted sailor stories. Long bodies. Endless movement. Appearing during storms. Some sailors saw oarfish. They can grow over 30 feet long. They surface before earthquakes. But here's where it gets strange. Whalebacks added to the illusion. 5. Lake monsters, logs and seals. Lake monsters had long necks, dark humps, still water. Many sightings were floating logs or swimming seals, light bent by fog. But here's why they last. The brain completes the shape. 6. Basilisk, venomous snakes. The basilisk killed with a stare. People froze in fear. No one approached. This likely came from cobras. They rise upright. Their venom kills fast. But the story doesn't end there. Fear spread faster than truth. 7. Werewolves, rabies and wolves. Werewolves weren't magic. They were disease and fear. And misunderstanding. Rabies causes aggression. Biting. Foaming mouths. Sensitivity to light. But here's where it gets disturbing, rabies outbreaks match werewolf stories exactly. 8. Minotaur, bull rituals. The Minotaur was half man, half bull, trapped in a maze. Ancient cultures worship bulls. Some wore ceremonial masks. Fear twisted ritual into horror. But here's the unsettling part. Human bones were found near bull temples. 9. Dragons, crocodiles and fossils. Dragons appear everywhere. Fire. Scales, claws. Ancient people lived near crocodiles. They also found massive fossils. Without science, fear explained everything. But here's where it gets weird, some dragon descriptions match crocodiles perfectly. 10. Cyclops, elephant skulls, final. The Cyclops had one eye. Massive body. Lived alone. Ancient people found elephant skulls. The nasal cavity looked like a single eye. Fear filled the rest. But imagine finding that skull with no science. A monster would feel logical. Monsters were never lies. They were misunderstandings. Fear mixed with curiosity. So next time you hear a legend, ask yourself one thing. What animal started it?